Jai Srimannarayana. 32nd sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Atma Vupamyena Sarvatra Samam Pasyati Yorjuna Sukham va Yedeva Dukkham Sayogi Paramo Mataha. Om. Start regarding the pain or pleasure everywhere by the same standard as you apply to yourself. Realize the identity of Atma is pure Jnanam. Atma has no connection with material nature. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Sri Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall start regarding the pain or pleasure everywhere by the same standard as I apply to myself. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham, 10th Skandham, 4th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra." In that process, Parikshin Narendra asking like this, "O Yogindra, please tell me about Baladeva, his Avirbhavam, and also tell me Kasman Mukundo Bhagavan Pituhu Gehat Vrajam Gataha Kvavasam Jnatibhisardham Krutavan Satvatam Patihi." Why did Krishna left immediately Vasudeva's house, and why he reached Vrindavanam, and where did he live along with his relatives, and also When he was living in Vrindavanam and Mathura, what are the divine activities he has done? O Yogindra, why Krishna Paramatma killed his uncle Kamsa? Please tell me all those details. Like that, Parikshit Narendra asking. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 32nd sloka. Atmaupamyena sarvatra samam pasyati yorjuna sukham va yadi va dukkham sayogi paramo mataha. Atmaupamyena sarvatra samam pasyati yorjuna sukham va yadi va dukkham sayogi paramo mataha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.